Okay, we're going to talk about Wordle. You go to Wordle.net to go to the website, and then we're going to click Create. Now here we can paste in a bunch of text, as it says, or if there's a blog or Delicious account. I actually have some words here that I put together that are words about education. These are all single words or words with a hyphen, and then down here I put Rater in repeatedly because I want to show how that works, how it gets bigger. So we're going to copy. We're going to minimize and we're going to paste these in. And it's as simple as going to go. And we create our Wordle. It pops up here on the screen. Now if we don't like the way that this is laid out, we can click the randomize button. And there are many options for this until we find the one that we like. Now if you want, you can also play around with some of the layout. You can straighten the edges. You can use rounder edges. Right now it's mostly horizontal. You can go any which way. There's several different ways that you can approach this stuff. You can change the fonts now in the color as well. You can play around with that. Once you get to a point where you like it, you can actually save it in the public gallery if you want, which makes it accessible on the internet, or using some of the tools that we have. Use the snipping tool, and you can actually come right in here and just capture it that way. You can click up here, Save As, or as a JPEG, or you can copy and paste into what you want. Now another option I have, I actually took a poem off the internet, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put it into the Wordle. And what this does, this is just a simple poem, but what it does is it takes and it analyzes that poem for some of the words that are used multiple times. Now, again, I didn't write it. I just copied it. The word waiting obviously is a word that's used multiple times, or the most, in this poem. So that must be an important word. The word day is also quite large beneath, but the words life, sun, play, land, sing, birds, quietly, wonder are all smaller font, so they must not be used as much. That's the neat thing about Wordle, is it gives emphasis to words that are used multiple times or listed multiple times in that area. So if I wanted to save this to the public gallery, I could title it and click OK, and then it puts it out there on the internet. So let's do that. I'm going to click waiting, and I'm going to click OK, and it puts it out there into the gallery. And here, if you want, you can access it there, so you can share it. You can embed it into different things as well. But we're going to actually delete that Wordle. All right. Hope you enjoy the wonderful world of Wordle.